Hello and welcome back to the Path English. I'm so happy you're here today. I will talk about how to talk to anyone with confidence. That means you will learn how to feel stronger, how to join conversations, and how to connect with people in a simple way. When you listen to this episode until the end, you will feel more comfortable speaking. You will not only listen, you will also practice with me. You will start to believe that you can do it. In this podcast, I speak slowly. I use simple words and I repeat key ideas so you can understand easily. You can listen, repeat, and speak with me. You can practice English step by step. This is called shadowing. You listen, then repeat after me. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. All right. Tip 1. The fear of talking to people. Let's begin with fear. Many people feel nervous when they talk to others. Why? Because they worry about mistakes. They worry about what other people think. They fear judgment. I remember one day I was in a cafe. A group of people sat near me. They were laughing and sharing stories. I wanted to join them so much. I had ideas. I had words ready. But I stayed quiet. My heart was fast. My mind said, what if I make a mistake? What if they think I am strange? So I just smiled and stayed silent. Later, I felt bad. I missed a chance to connect. But here is the truth. This fear is normal. Everyone feels it sometimes. The good news is that fear can change. You can learn step by step. You can grow strong with practice. Tip 2. Confidence starts with your body. Now let's talk about your body. Confidence is not only in your mind. It begins in your body. Imagine this. I enter a room. My back is straight. My shoulders are open. I walk tall. I smile. I look around with calm eyes. What happens? People notice me. They see strength. They see kindness. I also feel different inside. I feel stronger, ready to talk. Your body sends signals to your brain. A smile tells your brain, I am okay. Good posture tells your brain, I am strong. Eye contact tells others, I am here with you. So next time you meet people, stand tall, smile, and look at them with warm eyes. Small actions create big confidence. Tip 3. Power of positive thoughts. Now let's talk about your thoughts. Many times fear begins in the mind. You think, what if I fail? What if I say something wrong? These thoughts stop you. But here is the trick. Change the question. Instead of asking, what if I fail? Ask, what if I succeed? Imagine this. You say one sentence. People smile and reply. You join the talk. You make a new friend. That is success. Mistakes are also not the enemy. A mistake is only a small teacher. If you say the wrong word, you learn the right one. If you forget a phrase, you learn to remember it next time. Every mistake is a step forward to grow stronger. Repeat short, positive sentences each day. Say, I can speak, I can connect, I can learn. The more you say it, the more your brain believes it. Positive thoughts give you power. Tip 4. Easy ways to start conversations. One big challenge is how to start talking. The first words feel hard, but the truth is, you can start in simple ways. This is called small talk. You can use observations at a bus stop. I once looked at the long line and said, "This line is long today." The man next to me laughed and said, "Yes, I hope the bus comes soon." Just one sentence opened the door. You can also ask open-ended questions. Not yes or no, but questions that invite longer answers. For example, what brings you here today? Or what do you like most about this place? Compliments are another key. Say, "I like your bag. Where did you get it?" Or "That was a good idea you shared." Honest compliments make people smile. You can also ask for simple help. "Excuse me, do you know the time or can you help me with this?" Many people are happy to respond. Now shadow these phrases with me. Listen and repeat. "This line is long today." "What brings you here?" "I like your bag." Good job. You just practiced starting conversations. Tip 5. Keep conversations flowing. Starting a conversation is important, but the next step is keeping it alive. Many people feel nervous because they don't know what to say after the first words. The secret is simple. Ask follow-up questions. A follow-up question means you listen to what the other person says and ask more about it. For example, someone says, "I love cooking." You can say, "Me too. What's your favorite dish?" This shows you listened and you care. Short comments also help. Words like "really," "that's great," or "wow, I see" make the other person feel heard. They invite the person to keep talking. Another strategy is to share a small personal story. Keep it short. For example, if someone talks about cooking, you can say, "I tried to make pasta last week. It was fun, but a little messy." You are not taking over the talk. You are just adding a small piece of your life. When you mix questions, comments, and short stories, the talk flows like a river. It feels natural. Remember, good conversation is not about speaking the most. It's about sharing and listening. Step by step, you can keep any talk alive. Tip 6. Mistakes to avoid. Now let's look at common mistakes. These mistakes can make you look less confident, even if your words are good. The first mistake is over-explaining. You don't need to give too many details. Just say your idea and stop. If people want more, they will ask. The second mistake is apologizing too much. Many learners say, "Sorry, sorry" after small mistakes. You don't need to. It's okay to make mistakes. People understand. The third mistake is avoiding eye contact. When you look away all the time, people may think you are not interested. A natural amount of eye contact shows you are confident and listening. 1. More mistake today. Checking your phone during a conversation. This makes people feel unimportant. Put your phone away. Focus on the person in front of you. Avoid these mistakes and you will look more confident right away. Tip 7. Ending conversations with confidence. Many people know how to start a conversation, but they don't know how to end it. They feel stuck. But ending a conversation can be smooth and polite. One way is to mention a plan. You can say, I need to get going now. Or, I have to meet a friend soon. This gives a reason to leave. Another way is to thank the person. You can say, "It was great talking with you," or "I enjoyed our chat." This makes the ending warm. You can also suggest a future chat. Say, "Let's talk again soon." Or maybe we can continue this another time. This keeps the door open. For example, you can say, "It was great talking with you. I need to go now, but let's chat again soon." Simple, polite, confident. When you end with kindness, people remember you in a good way. Tip 8. Listening is the secret key. Speaking is important, but listening is the real secret. When you listen with care, people feel valued. They feel that you respect them. Active listening means giving your full attention. Look at the person, nod your head, use short words like "really," "I see," "that's interesting." These small sounds show you are engaged. They invite the other person to keep talking. I remember a time when my friend told me about his new job. I listened carefully and asked small questions. Later, I remembered the details and asked him again about it. He was surprised and happy. He felt I cared. Our friendship grew stronger. So listen with your ears, your eyes, and your heart. When you listen, you don't just understand words. You connect with people. Listening builds confidence and trust. Tip 9. Daily practice makes you strong. Confidence does not come in one day. It grows with daily practice. Each small step makes you stronger. You can use shadowing with me in this podcast. You listen, then repeat after me. You can also practice mirror speaking. Look into the mirror, smile, and say short sentences like, "I am learning," "I am improving." Another way is small daily chats. Say hello to a neighbor. Ask a cashier, "How was your day?" These little talks are powerful. Here is one action for you. Say hello to one new person each day. Just one word can start a habit. Step by step, your fear will shrink and your confidence will grow. Remember, practice builds power. Each day is a chance to get better. Great work today. You have made it to the end of this episode. You listened, you repeated, and you practiced speaking with me. That is real shadowing. Each time you do this, your English grows stronger and your confidence grows bigger. Remember, learning is not about being perfect. It is about daily action. Speak one short sentence today. Say hello to one new person. Come back tomorrow and practice again. Step by step, you are building a new habit. Now come back to this episode often. Listen again. Shadow again. And each time add more to your story. This is English Vibe TV. I'm Alex and I'm proud of your effort. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you next time.